Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to change Facebook Messenger profile picture. So right now I'll show you how to easily change or update your Facebook profile picture using Messenger. First of all, go to your Messenger app and the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. Okay, once you are in your Messenger app, tap on this hamburger menu and tap on your profile photo. Tap on settings next to your profile photo. And now here we can see a little camera icon under my profile photo. So all you have to do is just tap on this camera icon, and now you can take a photo to make your new profile picture, or to upload a profile picture from your gallery. Just tap on this choose from library option, and now from your gallery select your new photo and you can crop the photo. Tap on done and just tap on save profile picture, and that's it. Your Facebook Messenger profile picture will be changed. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.